What's up, everybody? Jason P to the G here. Making a second rack for my new snowmobile, my 900 Turbo R Renegade. This is to mount my packouts on. I don't like the link bags because they don't seal. So I got some 1" by 1" aluminum, and I'm just welding it up right now. Squared off with my 1, 2, 3 blocks, clamped all the way around. Going pretty well. Everything's right where it needs to be right now. I'm sure until I drill the holes that'll make the difference. But yeah, my other one didn't fit, and it was a little off, a little tall. It's not as long as the tunnel. This is a 137. My backcountry is a 146, so those dimensions didn't work out. But this will take its place and be able to swap back and forth and put my other packouts on there. So holds my trail sodas. If I go ice fishing, I got all that kind of stuff. So we're all good. But more to come, and I'll keep you updated. Alright, it's the next day. I'm gonna work on installing my rack to my 24 Renegade XRS. The hardware, here's the rack I made, bracket for it, and then the plate will be on top of that, bolted to it. It'll fit the link, so welded this up yesterday. I kind of try to get you guys right in here. So, test fit yesterday. All these are just the link brackets you get right from your dealer or wherever online. Link locks, I should say. The brackets are already with the snowmobile. So I put them in place yesterday, and I measured all my holes. I do have holes drilled in for those, so let's see how everything fits. Perfect. Now the holes, see if them light up. I just got some 1032 cap screws to go through. Brackets. There's one. Two. Three. So far, so good. Four. Not bad for an average, I guess. Betsy. 5, 6. Just a little finesse to get them to line up, but other than that, don't really complain. Now, not going to put washers on the outside. Oh, that's free left over. And I got nylocks for everything, that way they don't vibrate. But this is the Gen 5, it's supposed to be not so bad. So, real test will be tightening it down and pulling it off and putting it back on. I did use 1, 2, 3 blocks to hold the corners and everything square and on a big sheet of aluminum thick, so it would hopefully hold it better. These nuts on here. Ha! These nuts. That's what came in the mail today. These nuts. So yeah, it's currently 41 degrees. It rained quite a bit last night. There is no snow on the ground. There is a little bit of ice. It is, I think, December 15th. So yeah. Well, fucking Mother Nature's just, you know, on her year this year. Last year was kind of the same thing, but this year I think it's going to be a little worse for sledding, which is fine. You always end up getting hammered eventually. Alright. So I'll go ahead and tighten some of these up. I don't know if you guys use these. These are Knipex pliers wrench. These are amazing. They're pricey, it's Knipex, but they are totally worth it. Just a couple of light ooga doogas. I got it on setting 1, it's an M12. Nothing crazy. See, that's the little baby. But the little baby packs a lot of punch. It's kind of nice. So I'll get you a close up here. So the cap screws through the links. Washer and a lock washer on the back, or a lock nut on the back. My other rack didn't fit because of the bumper, or the snow flap mount on the top, which is fine. I fabricate. Doesn't take long to do something simple. This is, in my eyes, pretty simple. I welded it myself. So far, so good. All right. Let's see. Look at that. No bind, no tight. Actually, that's a win. Fit really good. No issues. This isn't going anywhere. I will put the lock set screws in here in case we're somewhere somebody doesn't take off with it. So I really liked my backcountry last year. It's 850 Tech 146. Tons of power, did really well. Very, very pleased with it. But I do like the 900 Turbo R like I got Max 3. That's back there in front of the OG Mav. But yeah, been a very good machine. 10.5 for mileage and no main issues. It was good. So I'm ready to try out the Turbo R on the sled, 180 horse. We'll see what it does. I'm not all worried about it. Just got to get some snow, and if we don't, we'll get it next year, I'm sure. Alright, so I got that one mounted. Now, the packout plate. Right on here. Just like that. And I got longer screws because I needed longer screws because it was just a little much. I'll put washers on these on the top because the hole is a little bit bigger in the top, but not bad. I'm not hauling a lot of weight and it really can't go anywhere. I'd have to roll it to shear it off, I would say. And I don't ride like that. I take care of my shit that I got. That's gonna be perfect. Hell yeah. I'm not gonna complain about that. Don't know. I'm gonna take this off here and do it obviously, but oh yeah. So I will unlatch this. And somehow I had to trim it out last time. I'm probably gonna have to trim it out again. Which is fine. I do have 1x2. I'll show you the mean in here. So right where this bracket meets the plastic, I got a slight gap. You want to be flat. Same thing over here. So I'll go get a marker. I'll mark that in my little tool and I'll chip that out of there. Just to make it the way it needs to be. Guess while I'm on here too, I can show you. I bought myself a couple of new little toys too. But that's it. Yeah, they're in there. Couple little Sierra Fontaines. Be good for camping and stuff for the campground and around here. I use them a lot already. I got them like a month and a half, 2 months ago. And I use it. Ripping around the property or it's been so damn warm out, it's just a nice little ride. Gives me something to do. And a snowmobile trailer. Ice fishing. I'd like to get an enclosed, and I got my Defender here. And I gotta find a marker. I think I know. Alright. Top drawer toolbox. Let's see. What do we got here? Oh, and it works. Cool. Here I got my V-plow already, thinking we might get some snow, but don't look like that's happening, peeps. Not anytime soon. razor knife. Yeah, excuse me, my bench is a freaking mess. Multi-tool. It's definitely a scramble issue. Busy work, busy with shit around here. A lot of yard work. Whole other side of the house is tilled and planted. This side I worked on. I removed about 20 trees from out of here, and then a bunch on the other side of the shipping container. Storm last year took a lot of shit out of here. 18 trees or so. So that's what I was working on. And I figured out El Nino's rolling through. I should have plenty of time to get shit done. So I did. Alright. So mark where this needs to be notched. Nothing pretty here, just notch it off. Because you ain't gonna really notice it. The screws out. Otherwise, you know where them are gonna go. Tunnel. All right. Here's one. I really like these multi-tools, but if I had a bitch about Milwaukee, I got their selector knob right here, and it's easy to rub. So, just while you're running it, pops it every time. So, not a big deal, but just something that could have used improvement. But I'm not going to complain because they do a really, really nice job. So, I'm not complaining. Can try to turn the camera. You guys want to see what the hell I got going on here. Oh, I'm just looking for my marks. Trimming in about 1/8 inch or so. Guess I'm watching my string, but this is just an oscillator, so. hopefully that's enough. So you can see what I did here is I just notched that and that. Now, yeah, just a little bit, not much. Maybe a 3/16 of an inch. Not gonna hurt anything structurally, obviously. But now, let's see how it fits. And what I'm feeling is perfect. So, go ahead and start scrooging them down. I'll just get the nuts on them now. All that good jazz. Yeah, I just when I got my backcountry last year, I got 2 different link bags. I tried out, and I just did not like them. Just no use for them. Constantly full of snow. Okay, I don't want things full of snow. There's no need for that. So I said, hey, I have a shit ton of Milwaukee Packout stuff. Why not build a rack? I seen some on the internet, people burning plates out and stuff. I'm not paying $180, $200 for a goddamn Packout mount plate. Especially most of what I've seen, a lot of them aren't tight. Just my opinion. So I said, hey, I'll make some. Well, I made some. That's where we're at. So I made one for that, now I gotta make one for this, because heaven forbid it would be. Name it, the links match up, it's just the bracket itself. It's the bumper. Or the flat one, sorry. Tight. Flipper dipper. Let me put this on too. And then we'll throw it on, give it a test. See what she does. Move all this good stuff. Okay. So, burn. Just like that. We got no rubbage. but it's not hitting. And I can push on this thing, and it ain't gonna go nowhere. So, yeah. Right there's a little better view, right there. But as you can see, that's stout. I've got clearance here. Doesn't matter if I need to get to my battery. I can take the cover off. Now, let's test the packet. I got this one. Just like that. And then this one. I gotta get some more of these boxes. So I can get some more. Bet y'all can't guess what goes in there. I can. Yeah, that's it. There, so I got that one all set up now. That one's on there. I think we're good to go. All we need is some goddamn snow. I also got a snowmobile lift. And I need to use that here probably today or tomorrow because I have to put new carbides on. Wear them out in less than 2 months. That's how shitty the winter was last year. Oh yeah. I don't know if you've seen this thing. This is my OG Mav. About 16,000 miles on it. Custom stereo I built for it. By far the smoothest and best machine I've had. My X3 XMR, that's been great. No issues really, other than normal shit mass air pressure sensor. But yeah, toys can never have enough. But I'll leave you with that, and I'll get back to you when we get another project or get on some snow. Like and subscribe. Have a good one. Thanks.